Can sine and cosine work for angles bigger than 90 degrees? Yes, today we extend trigonometry beyond right triangles. An acute angle is less than 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is between 90 and 180 degrees. We use the unit circle to find ratios for both. On the unit circle, the x-coordinate is cosine theta, and the y-coordinate is sine theta. This works for any angle, not just acute angles. Notice, sine 150 degrees equals sine 30 degrees, both positive. But cosine 150 degrees is negative, while cosine 30 degrees is positive. Worked example 1. Find sine and cosine of 120 degrees. Step 1. 120 degrees is in quadrant 2. Its reference angle is 180 minus 120 equals 60 degrees. Step 2. Sine stays positive in quadrant 2, so sine 120 equals sine 60, which is root 3 over 2. Cosine is negative, so cosine 120 equals negative half. Worked example 2. Find tangent 135 degrees. The reference angle is 180 minus 135 equals 45 degrees. At 135 degrees, y is positive, and x is negative. Since tangent equals y over x, and at 45 degrees both equal 1, we get 1 over negative 1. Which equals negative 1. So tangent 135 degrees is negative 1. Common mistake. Students often forget that sine is positive in quadrant 2. Always check which quadrant your angle is in to determine the correct sign. Memory aid. All students take coffee tells you which ratios are positive in each quadrant. For obtuse angles, subtract from 180 to find the reference angle. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more Form 4 mathematics lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to access practice questions and past papers.